Ghalib. As the British Raj ushered in an era of modernity, Urdu embarked on a transformative journey, blossoming across the subcontinent from Lahore and Bombay to Bhopal and Hyderabad, nurtured by the enlightened minds of the educated elite and the patronage of princely states. Aligarh emerged as a beacon of intellectual vibrancy, where Sir Syed Ahmad Khan orchestrated a literary renaissance, bringing together a diverse cadre of writers who pioneered the art of modern Urdu prose, both fictional and non-fictional. Tehzeeb-ul-Ikhlaq, a brainchild of Sir Syed's visionary spirit, founded in 1871, became a platform for alternative perspectives, presented in a lucid and accessible style, enriching the discourse of Urdu literature. As the 20th century dawned, a wave of national consciousness swept across the subcontinent, and Urdu emerged as the language of dissent, giving voice to the aspirations of people yearning for freedom from foreign rule. Songs and slogans, infused with revolutionary fervor, ignited the spirit of resistance, appearing in Urdu newspapers and stirring the hearts of the masses. Maulana Azad, a beacon of intellectual and spiritual enlightenment, launched his journals Al-Hilal and Al-Bilagh in Calcutta, disseminating progressive ideas and fueling the movement for independence. Iqbal, the poet of the East, penned his early collection of poems Bang-e-Dira, a powerful testament to the yearning for freedom and the resilience of the human spirit. Bismil Azimabadi's Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna became an anthem for revolutionaries, echoing through prison walls as they marched towards the cause with unwavering determination. Hasrat Mohani, a fiery poet and activist, gave birth to the immortal slogan Inqalab Zindabad, a rallying cry that encapsulated the collective desire for a new dawn, a nation free from shackles. Urdu literature boldly stepped into the modern era, with poetry finding its voice in the form of nazm and prose taking center stage with the rise of afsane, meaning short stories. Pioneers like Premchand, Saadat Hasan Manto, Krishan Chandar and Ismat Chughtai in prose, and Iqbal, Faiz, Firaq and Josh in poetry elevated Urdu to new heights of literary excellence. New artistic and literary movements emerged, including the Progressive Writers Association and Indian People's Theatre Associations with their Marxist leanings, and the modernist Halqa-e Arbab-e-Zawq, leaving an indelible mark on the language. These movements challenged traditional norms, explored social and political realities, and introduced new forms of expression, further enriching the tapestry of Urdu literature.